All right, so we're using one of the Pixlr resources, but it's one of their 2019 versions, which is going to expire at the end of this school year. So we're good. Here's a link to the website. Oh, let me fix that. Let me go back. Sorry. Fix that link to the website. You want it to be this one. Now, link to the website. There we go. It says here that there's two to pick from. We don't want these new ones. We want the old one. So scroll past these ones. These ones we're not going to use. Scroll. Here it is. And it says they expire at the end of 2020. Oh well. We want the one called Pixlr Editor. The editor. That's what we want. Not the Express Editor. Pick that one. And now it says, hey, your Chromebook Flash Player is not going to work. So the workaround is go up here to the little padlock. Click to open it. Go down to Site Settings. Open that. And then where it says Flash, make it say Allow. Allow. Okay? That's it. And then come back up to your... We can close out of this one. Here under, I'm just off camera. Can move it here? There it is. Here's the browser I'm in called Settings. I'm going to close that one down. And it says, hey, you made changes. Let's reload the current page. Wait for it. And we're in. We got it. Here's the website. I'd bookmark this. I already did. If you click and grab the padlock, hold, drag, put it anywhere you want in the little bar. I'll drop mine there. And if I want these words to be smaller, I can right click them. I can edit that and have the name just be the word Pixlr. And I'm going to save that, and there I go. Excellent. Now I can begin my assignment by doing what it asks. It's going to have you open an image from your computer, but you gotta download it first. So now we're in. Okay? So again, if I log out of here, jump back into it again, I'm in. If you have the same little thing about the old versus new, scroll to the bottom, pick the Pixlr Editor, and then you have to allow the Flash Player. But that should be the workaround. All right, give it a try.